Best known as the star of Disney's 101 Dalmatians, this sleek and athletic dog breed has a history that goes back several hundred years. He started out as a coach dog, but has also served in many other capacities, including hunter, firehouse dog, and circus performer. With their unique spots, the Dalmatian is probably one of the most recognized breeds on the planet. They have an average size of 45 to 55 pounds and come in white with black spots and white with liver or chocolate spots. Born to run, the Dalmatian is a high-energy dog with an endless capacity for exercise. He loves attention and has a strong desire to please, making him easy to train through positive reinforcement, such as food rewards, praise, and play. He's a smart dog with a sly sense of humor and will do his best to make you laugh. The Dalmatian is alert and interested in everything that goes on around him and makes an excellent watchdog for families. Has this iconic breed stolen your heart? Come by the store to see all of our adorable Dalmatian puppies today.